If you've recently come across the name Tahoe on your MacBook, whether it's in macOS versions, locations, or even while reading something online, you might pause and wonder if you're pronouncing it correctly. It's one of those words that doesn't look exactly how it sounds, and that can make it easy to say it wrong without realizing. A lot of people guess different pronunciations at first, especially if they've only seen it written and never heard it spoken out loud. The correct pronunciation is actually simple once you hear it, and after that, it sticks instantly. Whether you're talking about macOS naming references or just want to sound accurate in conversations, getting it right is easier than you think. Try these. Step 1. Understand that Tahoe is pronounced as Tahoe. Step 2. Break it into two parts. Ta, like ta in taco, and ho, like go. Step 3. Listen to the pronunciation using Siri or any voice assistant on your MacBook. Step 4. You can also search Tahoe pronunciation online and play the audio examples. Step 5. Repeat the word slowly a few times to get comfortable with the sound. Step 6. Say it naturally in a sentence to make the pronunciation stick.